Today we are excited to introduce our new Pro Series LED headlights Pro T4 H11 for the 2014 to 2020 Toyota 4Runner. These Pro Series LED headlights allow you to instead your factory halogen bulbs, which is let you see further and better. As you can see, the Pro H11 is much brighter than a halogen bulb. It has truly 50 watts, 6000 K cool white, and 5000 LM brightness. 80 x 80 mm high lumen LED chips with the accurate design of the mount socket output the optimized beam pattern with a clear cutoff. Our Pro-DC series was designed based on the OEM headlight housing. Plug and play, easy installation. And also it has off-center design. Perfectly fit in the socket. You don't need to worry adjust beam pattern. The LED chip and the base socket are set at the best angle to get the best light beam pattern. This LED kit was designed with two cooling systems. One is the big dual ball bearing cooling fan, at the bottom of the LED bulb. It could dissipate the heat quickly from the LED chips. Another one is the turbofan cooling system, which is embedded in dust cover. It can dissipate heat outside the housing through the vents. This dual cooling system keeps luminous efficiency and makes LED bulbs work stably. You no longer worry about the LED bulbs will overheat when they are running. And it comes with 2-year hassle-free warranty and 45 days free return without any reason. If you're looking for the LED bulbs to instead your halogen bulbs or any of LED products, visit our website at lasfit.com. And if you want to stay up to date on any newer future products, be sure to like, subscribe and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.